So you want to edit your videos like some great big YouTubers.
So if you find this that I'm going to video
So today I'll be editing that old video of mine. So when I recorded this video, I had no idea about audio editing. So nobody wants to hear some noisy background noises while watching videos, right? Or even movies, right? So now for audio editing, what I want you to do is choose the video that you want, put the resolution, frame rate and every single thing in zero, like you want the very lowest quality you can get. Now save the video. Now go to Google Chrome, search for adobe.podcast/enhance. Click on upload, click on files, choose the video that you just exported, and what this is going to do is going to remove all the background noises. Listen to this different.
So, as you all know, we are here to know about styles that we...
Now, after saving the enhanced version, what you want to do is mute all the clips, go to music and choose the enhanced audio that you just took, and you want to click on use it and then just play once just to check if everything is alright. And then you want to save it in the highest resolution. Second step is to chop off the silent spaces. So after the enhanced video is saved, just put it in UCut, and then what you want to do is just play the video, and in case you find somewhere there is a gap and there's something uninteresting, just cut that part and remove it. Even if it's just like a 1 millisecond, just remove it. Add the freaking music. Now, music. Music is the most important part of a video. It can just make you feel what you want to feel. So this video is more of a happy kind. So what I'm gonna do? Search for pop songs, because pop songs are happy. Yep, I searched for an hour and I got the right song. Now, one common mistake with music, many people put it at like so high sound. Background music, it is background music. You don't want to put it in so high volume. Most of the time I like to put it in 3 to 5. So just choose between 3, 4, 5. Nothing more than that if you are using UCut. And after getting the music, what you want to do is edit accordingly. You don't want to be playing music in case you are talking about something serious or some memes. Now, a common misunderstanding about music is that many people think music is there to make you entertained, to make you not bored. No, it is there to make you feel the right way. In case there's a sad time, you can't just play some pop songs right there. You have to play some sad music, not some hey woo happy music. Like, it helps the viewer to think right. Like, a music speaks more than the content creator himself. So always try to choose the right music and edit accordingly. After all that done, let's just look at the intro just for once.
So, you want a video? Okay. So, as you all know, we are here to know about styles that we need. We need to become the fast, to become the best, to be these tubers all around.
Is that intro good? No. So let's do it again. What happened? A socket cubing. I got you, my friend. Here are some 11 sites that you definitely need to improve. And if you have these 11 sites, man, you are gonna become the fastest. 1,000 times better. So by just doing that much, you'll get a great video. Now, by that much, I mean you have to do a lot more things, which I can't say, because like, you can't just make same videos as everyone. You have to add something new. For like, try to get something entertaining. Try to create skits often. Try to add some memes. Try to do like various activities. Don't just go on with a topic. Just don't be like straight line. Try to make your audience laugh. Try to get them entertained. Like, even if you're sharing some serious info, just try to get them entertained. And if you do that much, then you'll be one of the greatest YouTubers out there, like I am. That's a total lie. Just try to improve by every video. At first you will get like some shitty videos. Like even this video, I think I'm going to be regretting it in like when I upload 10 more videos, because like I would have improved on 10 things more by that time. So just so you know, try to improve one by another. Don't rush and you'll get there, I promise.